Welcome to the NP261 rebuild. You watched us pull this out of a burnt truck at Pick and Pull, as well as this.
Patina. We're gonna be here a little longer. See this? We want this. Let's bring it. Get it up there.
We looked all over the internet to how to change a GMT 800 Denali from an all-wheel drive to a four-wheel drive. This was our best idea, where we can put a manual shift in with a new transfer case. Let's get into it. This is gonna be a partial rebuild because we're not gonna do the clutch packs, but we're gonna be doing the chain, the case saver. Ooh, spider. Ooh. And seals. With this kind of job, I like to have a little box where I can throw all little itty bitty parts. That way it doesn't roll off the table, fall onto the ground, and go into Narnia. But the first thing that you guys are gonna run into is a poop ton. A poop ton of 10mm bolts all around the case, which we're gonna take off. Rock. So now we're gonna knock the output shaft seal out. There we go. There is a little snap ring in this window right there. We gotta basically relieve the pressure off of that as we split the case open. This will probably be the most annoying part. Yeah, all right, so that's what it looks like right here. Now the chain right here is what we were going to replace. It goes around these two wheels right here. But after looking at this, after we have it cracked open and everything looks like really good. Everything looks perfect. So it seems like this guy just ran it in two-wheel drive. There's a little bit of wear and tear on the case from the pump, which is natural. Even if you're just driving a two-wheel drive, the pump is still gonna be working. So everything looks like brand new. So I don't think we're even gonna switch the chain out. I think we're just gonna rock the same chain. I think we're just gonna grab some new seals and we're gonna grab a case saver and put this thing back together. And then it's ready to rock. I'm back. So, the case saver to make sure that this pump doesn't keep ramming into the other side of the case. And then we got a seal kit. So to put the chain back on, we gotta take these bearings off, the pump off, and then we can fit basically the gears onto the chain and then kind of finagle the gears back onto their respectable shafts. This off. So I'm gonna bring this up. Now when you put the chain back on, just FYI, blue tabs, so look on your chain, you should find a few blue tabs. Blue tabs go on top. Ooh, okay. Oh, look at that. Blue tabs on top, perfecto. Pumper, the pump, the thumper pumper, the thumper dumper. The hoopity doopity. Case saver. Case saver. So this is specifically tonged. So basically, this is built to make sure that you don't put a hole in your transfer case, because the pump, the way they built these things, the pump would randomly, not randomly, but the pump would consistently ram into this side of the case, the other side of the case, and it would put like a little pinhole through it. Luckily, we got this cracked open before that happened, so we don't have to buy a new half the case. We can just put this case saver on. There we go, just like that. Put the filter and magnet back in right here. All right, now we're gonna take the gasket maker. We're just gonna put a little bit all the way around the case. We're gonna avoid the holes because we don't want to get this in the bolt holes. I've got to loosen this up as I push it down. Now we're gonna put the output shaft seal in. So we're just gonna have to tap this thing in. We're gonna put all of the case bolts back in, and we're gonna torque them down to 28 foot-pounds. We're all done. We finished her up. She's all set to go. Now we just gotta throw her in the truck and then figure out how to put the shift handle on the inside as well. Yeah, I know this wasn't a full rebuild, but yeah, basically this is how you put a case saver in. We were gonna put a new chain in, but we found out that we didn't need one because this seems like it was not used very much. That's how you put a case saver in an NP261. Stay tuned, because we're gonna throw this bad boy in Big D and we're gonna get some 4-wheel drive going.